Herman Miller chairs are considered the best office chairs in the world. In our refurbishment factory in the Netherlands, we make these chairs in absolute new condition for a second life. We start by completely disassembling the office chair. This allows us to properly inspect the condition of all parts. The star base is removed and prepared for the powder coating factory. Parts such as seat foam and arm pads are replaced with new ones. After dismantling the chair, the mechanism is extensively cleaned, checked and lubricated. Once the mechanism has been quality checked, the mechanism can be used for a refurbished chair. Cleaning the mesh is an important process of refurbishing. The seat and back are intensively deep cleaned using steam and a patented environmentally friendly cleaner. After cleaning, we let the mesh dry in the drying rack. The frame is sprayed in the exact original color. Instead of spray paint, the star bases are powder coated. Powder coating is extra durable and strong. This prevents damage as the base cross has to endure a lot of wear. After the refurbishment process, all parts are checked again and remounted on the chair. And now, ready for a new owner. We supply most chairs with a 7-year warranty. We deliver our chairs throughout Europe within 7 working days in sustainable packaging. To easily place an order or for more information, visit refurbishedmiller.com.